Here I've got Doogee Mix, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner. And then click on History. Now go to Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see, you have two options. You have Basic and Advanced Clearing. So in Basic functions, you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also code images and files. And then in Advanced functions, you will also see saved passwords, auto-fill from data, site settings, and media licenses. So just select the options that you would like to mark, and then pick the time range. So click here to select last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, so from the beginning, and this is what I will do. And once it's all customized, simply click on Clear Data. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, there is no history here. Now we can set it up from the beginning. And that would be all. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.